everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we're gonna get started with an Ipsy unboxing. So this is for the month of April, and I think last month is gonna be my last Ipsy, and then I'm gonna do a review kind of thing and see if it was worth it or not, basically. So let's get started. I did redeem a 500 or 600 point perk. It's a brush, so it should be in here hopefully. Alright, so first up, I'm pretty sure this was the brush. Looks like this. It was outside of the bag. Feels very soft. Next up, this is the bag for this month, so butterflies. On the other side, we have nothing. Everything else is in here, so let's take a peek. First up, we have Retractable Rescue Overnight Cream. So this is what it looks like. There we go. And it says directions: apply a thin layer to freshly cleansed face and neck. Leave on overnight, rinse off any residue in the morning. Oh. This looks like a regular cream. An eyeshadow by Luna, I think. I have received another eyeshadow from Luna before. There we go. This looks similar to the one I had last time. I haven't really gotten much use out of it because single eyeshadows are not something I typically go for. I mean, that's the shade right there. It's pretty. I would actually maybe consider using it as a highlighter more than anything else, potentially. Next, we have some Pearlie's coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrubs. So these are great. I like using these in the shower. I'm in the process of, I think I have I've gotten a sample of something similar to this, and I'm in the middle of working through that. Next, we have Aurora for All Lip Lovers. This is in soft pink, and this is a lively lip stain. It's water-based. Look at the applicator on that. That looks weird. Okay. It's kind of pretty. I don't know if I would wear it all the time, but it's pretty. We'll see if it has any lasting power or if it's drying or anything like that. And that's it. So we got a body scrub, an eyeshadow, a brush, which I'm pretty sure I redeemed, or maybe this was just supposed to come in the bag. Maybe I was supposed to get an extra brush. I'll have to check after. But so a brush, lip stain, and then a cream. So actually all of these products are pretty good in the sense that I'll probably get used out of them at some point. The eyeshadow I'll probably have to depot. I'm probably going to do that with the other one too, just so I have it in like a Z palette or something so I can actually see it and then want to use it. But that's it for this month, and we'll see what next month brings because it is the last Ipsy bag I am getting. Bye guys.